Hi dear students, in the last class we had discussed about remainder theorem and their problems. Now we shall discuss factor theorem and their problems. Now we shall take one definition or a statement of factor theorem. X minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x if p of a equals 0. Also, if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a equals 0. Here x minus a is the g of x and p of x is the polynomial variable x. If we put the value of x in the g of x, value of x, it is in the g of x, we put it in p of x. If we get remainder 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. It is of the form p of a equals 0. Instead of a, there is number. Just we shall take one example. After we have to understand this one example. First is examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of 2x plus 4. Now let us take solution. 2x plus 4 is a p of x. P of x is equal to 2x plus 4. And now consider x plus 2 is equal to 0. It implies x is equal to minus 2. And we put x minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2 in p of x. P of x is the polynomial variable x, that is 2x plus 4. In the place x we put minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. P of minus 2 equals plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 4. P of minus 2 equals minus 4 plus 4 cancel. It is p of minus 2 is equal to 0. In the statement, instead of minus 2, a is there. In general we write a. There may be a number, real numbers, minus 2, 1 by 2, etc. P of minus 2 is equal to 0. So factor theorem says, if x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x, means if g of x is a factor of the polynomial p of x, the remainder should be 0. Remainder in general form p of a equals 0. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the next problem. Now we shall see how can we find this is the factor of this. Just we have to put the value of x here, the minus 2. Instead of x, if we get the final is 0, the remainder, if the remainder is 0, then x plus 2 is the factor of p of x. Let p of x equals x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, and consider g of x, that is x plus 2 is 0. Means is equal to 0. It implies x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 in p of x. Here p of x is there. Put p of minus 2 equals minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Instead of x, we only put x equals minus 2. P of minus 2 equals minus 2 whole cube, multiply minus into 3 times, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, the product is minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 whole square means multiply minus 2 into 2 times, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus here see here plus 5 into minus 2 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6. Now we shall see P of minus 2 equals minus 8, right, as it is. 3 4s are 12 minus 8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6. Here minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 10 plus 6. P of minus 2 equals minus 8 minus 10 minus 18 plus 12 plus 6 plus 18. Dear students, here minus 18 and plus 18 get cancelled. Therefore, P of minus 2 is equal to 0. So here remainder is 0. So therefore by factor theorem, x plus 2 is a factor of x to the power of x cube means plus x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the simple problem. Just put the value of x in P of x. If we get 0, then according to factor theorem, given g of x is a factor of P of x. Okay, dear students, now we shall take another problem. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Dear students, here we have to find the k. X minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial P of x. Solution. It is given if x minus 1 is a factor of k, it means P of a equals 0. Here value is 1. As x minus 1 is a factor of P of x, that is 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k equals 0. It means P of 1 is equal to 0, because we have to consider x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to plus 1. So in the place x, it is P of 1. It is 0 because x minus 1 is the factor of P of x. So consider P of x equals 4x cube plus 3x cube, 3x square minus 4x plus k. Instead of x put 1, 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k. P of 1 equals 4 into 1 cube means 1 plus 3 into 1 minus into plus minus 4 on the 4 plus k. P of 1 means it is already 0 because in the problem x minus 1 is the factor of p of x, it is given. So 4 to the 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k. Here plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. Here 0 is equal to remaining terms 3 plus k, or I write 3 plus k is equal to 0, both are same. So just transpose 3 into RHS, it becomes minus 3. So here value of k is minus 3. So we find in the problem value of k. Now we shall take exercise 2.4. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. First problem, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and second one, x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now let us take first one. Let p of x equals x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. The 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. You should remember, if there is x plus 1, the minus 1 is 0 of polynomial p of x. If there is minus 1, just transpose. If we consider x plus 1 is equal to 0, just transpose, it becomes minus 1. If there is minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1 equals 0. If you transpose, it becomes plus 1. Just simple. And now put minus 1 in the place of x in the polynomial. So p of, instead of x, put minus 1 equals minus 1 x cube. X cube means minus 1 cube plus of minus 1 square plus of minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 equals minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1 plus of minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 on the 1 plus into minus, minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 equals minus 1 plus into 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. P of minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, according to factor theorem, by factor theorem, x plus 1 is a factor of given p of x. Here p of minus 1 equals 0, remainder is 0. So x plus 1 is the factor of this. Now let us take second one. Let p of x equals x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now put 0 of the polynomial. 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. So put instead of x minus 1 equals minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus minus 1 whole cube plus of minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 equals minus 1 whole to the power of 4, it is plus 1. Minus 1 multiplied into 4 times, it becomes positive. Plus here 3 times, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it becomes minus 1. Plus minus 1 into 2 times, the product is plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 equals 1 plus into minus, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here the remaining one is there. So here p of minus 1 is equal to 1. not equal to 0. So by factor theorem, x plus 1 is not the factor of p of x, that is x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, because remainder is not 0, so given x plus 1 is not the factor of p of x. Okay dear students, next third one and fourth one. Now I will take fourth one and try yourself third one. This is for the homework, just try yourself. Now I will take fourth one. Let p of x equals x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Therefore, the 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. Put minus 1 instead of x. P of minus 1 equals minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus of 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus of multiply this binomial by minus 1, minus into plus minus 2 plus into minus minus root 2 ones are root 2 plus root 2. P of minus 1 equals minus 1, minus into plus minus 1. Here take out bracket by multiplying minus with this binomial. Minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus root 2. Write to root 2 as it is. Now P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1, like sign term should be added. So minus 1 and minus 1, it is minus 2 and plus 2 is there. I write plus 2. Here plus root 2 plus root 2. We already know how to adding the surds by adding only the coefficient of the surds. Root 2. Here 1 root 2 and plus 1 root 2. Here coefficient should be added, that is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Here minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled. P of minus 1 is equal to 2 root 2. It is not equal to 0. So P of A is not equal to 0. That is P of minus 1 is equal to 2 root 2 is not equal to 0 according to or by the factor theorem. X plus 1 is not a factor of P of x. P of x means here P of x is x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. Dear students, now we shall take second main. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Some problems are there. Now I will take first one. P of x equals 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. G of x equals x plus 1. Solution. Now, as earlier we have already learned, the g of x plus 1 is the factor of this there should be finally the remainder should be 0. Now the 0 of g of x means x plus 1 is minus 1. If it is 0, x is equal to, if you transpose plus 1 into next right side, so it becomes minus 1. It is the 0 of g of x. We put x is equal to minus 1 in p of x. So p of x, in the place x put minus 1, 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus of minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. P of minus 1 equals 2 into minus 1 whole cube, it is minus 1, plus of minus 1 whole square, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 in, minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Here plus minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled. Plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So P of minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, g of x plus 1 is a factor of p of x, that is 2x cubed plus x square minus 2x minus 1. According to factor theorem, if the remainder is 0, then g of x, that is x plus 1, is a factor of p of x, that is 2x cubed plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, dear students, now let us take second one and third one. It is for you, it is homework. The second one, solution. Here p of x equals x cubed plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and g of x is equals x plus 2. The 0 of g of x equals x plus 2 is minus 2, because consider, if you consider x plus 2 equals 0, we transpose plus 2 into right side, it is minus 2. Put minus 2 in x equals minus 2 in p of x. So p of, in the place x, minus 2, I write minus 2, minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into, in the place x, minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. P of minus 2 equals minus 2 whole cube, it is minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus into minus, minus 3 to the 6 plus 1. Here P of minus 2 equals minus 8 plus 3 4 the 12 minus 6 plus 1. P of minus 2 equals minus 8 minus 4 minus 14 plus 12 plus 1 plus 13. P of minus 2 equals, here minus and plus terms are there, so you have to subtract. Here bigger term has minus, so write minus. Minus 14 and plus 13 is minus 1. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, according to factor theorem, g of x equals x plus 2 is not a factor of p of x. Okay, dear students, now we learned so many problems in this class. So we will discuss some problems in the same exercise in the next class. Thank you.